how to get angel costume on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat right here. And once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon at the corner of your screen. Now, once inside, you have to click on the hanger icon above your profile. Now inside the hanger icon, all you have to do is to click on the hanger icon once more and it will take you to the outfit section. You can just go ahead and swipe up to bring up the costume menu right here. And inside, you basically want to scroll down until you came across the costume section. So let's just go ahead and find that part right here. And as you can go ahead and see, we have managed to find the angel costume inside the hanger icon. You want to click on it, and lastly you want to click on save. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.